Hi, it's Loan from Google Tech. I just have a couple try with the last side printing and I want to share the experience with you, and I hope that could save you some time when you have to do the same. This is a project of my lion in which he needs to make a connector between a fan and a big pipe up here. It's a very big size. It's at the maximum size that the Prusa i3 can print it. This size is like 248.8, 249 already. The working environment is hard, so I cannot use PLA as a printing material. I have to use patchy, which add a little bit challenge into the process, because you know the adhesion of PLA is much better compared to patchy. Anyway, it took me 3 times to finish the print, and here's the problem that I learned during the process. This is the first print. The shape is okay as I designed, but the problem is the adhesion between layers that you can see. This is because look at this angle is too acute, which reduce the overlap between layers that make it very difficult to connect them, and it's very flimsy here and here. So the second try, it led to the second try that I changed the design. I make this angle even steeper, so that fixed the problem of the adhesion between layers here. But it comes another problem. So at the end of the printing, is the top part of it got detached. So this is because the thickness of the thing I designed here is 2 millimeters, which is there is only the perimeter infill and the gap infill here. There is no internal infill like you can see here, which makes it very hard for them to connect, and it's very easy to get detached. So here is my third try, and I increased the thickness of the side into 3 millimeters, and now I have the internal infill, which make it more rigid and bring down it and nicely like you can see here. So to sum up, when you have to bring a large size project, pay attention to the angles and the layers. The steeper the angle, the better, and the printing setting is also very important. For example, with this print in the beginning, I reduced the speed to 80% to make sure that these layers are connected well. Then I increase the speed, of course, because you don't want to spend 2 or 3 days to print a piece. So those are important things that I learned during the time I working with this project, a big size project. I hope it will be helpful for you, and if you are interested in, please subscribe to my channel, and we can see next time. Happy making!